In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload G-code to Creality Cloud. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your G-code files are uploaded correctly. Let's get started. First, you need to sign in to your Creality Cloud account. This step is crucial because it ensures that your files are uploaded to your personal workspace. When you visit the Creality Cloud website, look for the Login option. Enter your credentials carefully. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all the features that Creality Cloud offers. This is an essential step as it keeps your files secure and organized within your account. Next, once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard of Creality Cloud. Look for the button that says Upload. It is typically located in a prominent position on the dashboard. Clicking this button is your gateway to uploading files. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it easily. This action will take you to the Upload section where you can manage your files. This is important because it leads you to the area where you can start the file upload process. From there, you will see an option that says Upload Print Files. Click on this option to proceed. This step narrows down your upload choices specifically to print files, which is what you need for your G-code. The interface will guide you to the next stage of the upload process. By selecting this option, you ensure that you are uploading the correct type of files, which helps avoid any potential errors later on. Now it's time to choose your G-code file from your computer. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Locate the G-code file you wish to upload. Remember that Creality Cloud supports several file types, including .gcode, .gz, .cxdlp, .cxline, and cxdlpv4. Make sure to select the correct file type to avoid any complications. This is significant because uploading the right file format ensures that your print jobs will function as expected. After selecting your G-code file, click the Upload button. You can upload up to 10 files at once, making it convenient if you have multiple G-code files to share. Once you click Upload, the system will begin processing your files. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. This action confirms your upload and ensures your files are stored in your Creality Cloud account for later access. If you upload G-code generated by third-party slicers such as Orca Slicer, be aware that some users have reported issues with the model preview not displaying correctly in Creality Cloud. In these cases, exporting the G-code from Creality Print itself often resolves these issues. This insight is important as it can save you time and frustration when working with different slicers. Now that you've successfully uploaded your G-code files, you can manage them within your Creality Cloud account. You will see your uploaded files listed, ready for you to access whenever you need them. This organization makes it easier to keep track of your projects and ensures that you can find the necessary files quickly. In conclusion, remember that uploading G-code to Creality Cloud is a simple process. It allows you to store and manage your print files effectively. Following these steps carefully ensures that your uploads are successful and that you can focus on your printing projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great experience with Creality Cloud.